And what are the common cognitive complications regarding language that you see in people that have traumatic brain injury?
Language is really complex in terms of traumatic brain injury. A lot of times people will have an injury, even a frontal injury, and it will affect the left hemisphere, Wernicke's and Brocas area both. And so you'll get just word retrieval problems. Sometimes it's very specific, like you'll get only problems with nouns or only problems accessing verbs. Sometimes I see patients that have neurogenic stuttering behaviors with accent problems. We see clients that have pragmatic language problems, and there's some great little programs on Happy Neuron Pro that work on that, some of the paper pencil tests. So pragmatics and general word retrieval or losing their place in conversations. So those are a few of the languages.